Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing jerk chicken neck. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have my chicken neck and it's already cleaned and washed. So basically I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to add some of my paprika. I will also go in and add some black pepper. Of course I'm going to add a small amount of my garlic salt. Try not to add too much of that garlic salt, and I will not add a lot of these seasoning, just a small amount. I will also go in and add some of my chicken seasoning. If you have all-purpose seasoning at home, you can always go ahead and use it. Once I add all of that powdered seasoning, combine everything together nicely because you want to ensure that your chicken neck is nicely seasoned. And then I'm going to go in and add my Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. Now, there's different brands of jerk seasoning on the market. You can always go ahead and choose anyone that you want. All right? Or if you want to go ahead and make your own jerk seasoning, you can always go ahead and do so. If you want to add a lot of jerk seasoning, you can always go ahead and do so as well. But please bear in mind that this is the hot and spicy jerk seasoning. Combine all of that goodness together, and then we're going to put it to the side and just allow it to just marinate for roughly about an hour to an hour and a half. All of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local meat shop, and of course, you will get chicken neck there as well. Now, you can always go ahead and have this amazing jerk chicken neck with some bami. You can have it with festival. You can have it by itself. Whatever you have at home. Like I said before, just be creative and just be you. So it's time to go ahead and start preparing this amazing chicken neck. Of course, I went ahead and just fire up my grill, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just place the chicken neck on top. And we want this chicken neck to cook nicely, but we don't want to overcook it. We don't want to cook it too long because we don't want it to dry out. All right, you don't want a big fire under this. Just a small fire will work perfect. So once my chicken neck starts to change color, we're going to come back and we're going to flip it over on the other side because we want all sides to cook nicely. So you can always opt to make a sauce, or you can always go ahead and serve this up with some ketchup. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and just flip our chicken neck on the other side, and we want the other side to cook nicely as well. And once it's finished cooking, I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. And just a reminder, try not to have a big fire. All right, remember it is smoke that is going to cook the chicken neck. If you do have a big fire, it's a possibility that it's all going to burn up. Remember that chicken neck is mostly bone. All right. So now that my chicken neck, they're all finished cooking, we're going to go ahead and just take them up, of course, and place them on this plate. And then we're going to go on the inside and we're going to chop into this amazing chicken neck and see what it looks like. And we're also going to serve this up. I serve mine with some festival and some ketchup on the side. Like I said, you can always go ahead and serve it up with anything of your choice. So now we're going to chop up our chicken neck, of course, and we're going to take a closer look at the inside and see. It is looking all lovely and nice already, and trust me, it was very good. So it's perfectly cooked just the way I want it to. And basically this is it. So you can opt to just serve it up as it is, or you can just chop it up like I am doing, because it's just a serving of two I did, but it was really amazing. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing jerk chicken neck. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to Callie J's Kitchen and remember to turn on your post notification bell. We're on our way to 9K, then 10K. Guys, help me get there by subscribing and sharing with your families and your friends, your co-workers. Just share with everybody and tell them about Callie J's Kitchen. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys.